countdown begins. So we're having the fun of doing a dress rehearsal right now. So they're miking Diana here at the sound station. And then we're gonna get to take our robots up to the Battlebox for dress rehearsal.
I mean, if we can go the whole time, that would be ideal.
People saw some photos last year during season 5 of us and Tantrum loaded in the arena. And everyone's like, oh my god, they had a rematch. But no, it was the dress rehearsal. So, Kraken is not our first fight. Or maybe he is.
Or maybe we are.
But when you see it, if you see any photos of this, it was a dress rehearsal.
Because we're dressed. So it's a rehearsal.
Yeah, the undress rehearsal gets a little weird.
We are less than 24 hours from the premiere on the Discovery Channel. January 6th, 8 o'clock, but check your local listings, because it's different in what time zone you're in. It's almost here. Little known fact, the drivers haven't seen, the teams haven't seen the episode either. We get to watch it live with all the fans. This is the view we get. This is all we get to see, what we actually drive and do. And we're always curious what it'll look like on TV. And by the way, this is no spoiler. Kraken may or may not fight Skorpios. This is just them testing the Battlebox. They did a lot of changes to it this year, and since the Skorpios team and Kraken team both completed all of their safety checks and photos and team photos and all that, we got pulled into the Battlebox first. We were told to drive around and drive to specific corners and areas so the lighting technicians and cameramen and women could all practice. So there's an exciting new change this year, and it's this big thing. This is the shelf for the deck. I'm not sure what the final name is going to be. We'll have to tune in tomorrow to find out. But this big thing is a new out area. If you can chuck a robot up here and they get stuck up there, they get counted out. This is to help improve the safety. When robots get yeeted out of the arena and stuck in between the two layers, it's a fun and exciting knockout, but it's tough for the safety guys. So they've added these deflector shields that will allow robots to slide back in and to have the match continue. So the shelf is the new out area. It takes up quite a bit of floor space, which will change the pacing of the match. It's changed a few other things. There's actually now a blind spot for the drivers. You can actually park in this little corner and completely disappear from view. This could be a clever way to hide from your opponent or even launch a sneak attack. We'll have to see how the robots use it. But it also means you can corner your opponent in this area or use it to shield wheels that are exposed. By parking in this corner, you can either try to defend it and block 3 different ways to approach you, or you could push your opponent into it and then have open season on them. This is great for robots like Skorpios and Sawblaze who can pin their opponent down and then spin up. However, for horizontals and verticals who need to get some distance to spin up, this might spell trouble. I know everybody's dying to know who won the finished robot in our final December giveaway. After over 200 comments, of which I read all of them, our winner is Live, Laugh, Luke. You've got a little Lego Battlebot as your icon, and I would like to congratulate you. You just won the titanium wedge with Mark Forge frame from our sponsors Van Bever Brothers and Weiscarver Machines. I'm going to be dropping this in the mail to you, so maybe you can smash some Lego robots with it. And go check out his channel. It's pretty cool. All right, here's the team. There's the robot. Hi, everybody.
Hi.
And for the team member point of view, as you're standing right behind the robot, this is what you see.
Dun, dun,
Half of my cheek.
For the big epic walk. Oh, all the lights are on. And there goes Diana. She's just wandering off, doing crazy Diana things. One side effect of the arena having less floor space is it means the robots will come into contact with each other more frequently. This means more destruction, more damage, more hits.
This season is going to be the craziest one yet. If you thought you saw some wild knockouts last year, buckle your seatbelt, because you're in for a heck of a ride.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.